sarcasm is my love language.
Not at all. Not
my
me.
husband's. Yeah.
It's about you and me. Why you got Zahid
Sorry,
in the
I
middle?
don't know. I just went
Oh
there.
God, Zahid, please now.
Very cute.
My mind just went there.
He's sarcastic. What rubbish.
Yeah, he is
Only
so
to you. Is he
sarcastic.
like that normally?
Yeah. Normally also he's like that. He's damn funny.
Funny?
Yeah.
Funny is one thing. Sarcasm
He's
is one thing.
sarcastically funny.
What is the
Like
fun?
Chandler, how he was.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is the last funniest thing that he did? क्योंकि उनके pranks तो social media पे इतने viral होते हैं, and I love that too. as well.
Yesterday only he did one.
What?
Some nonsense again. मैं शांति से एक तो I mind my own business. I'm chilling. I'm sitting for somewhere. He sees me sitting at peace, na.
हाँ.
That's when he wants to just irritate me. I should just look busy all the time. I feel.
That's cute. Serving looks, surviving chaos.
Serving looks, surviving
In
chaos.
chaos. Both of us.
Both of you.
Yeah.
Okay. I smile so I don't say what I really think.
No, I say
And
what I think.
No, I also say what I think,
The
but
way
I
you-
smile and say it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
that's a
I
better
don't
one.
like to unnecessarily.
Yeah.
My problem is I don't like to hurt people. I don't like to hurt people. And I think even the worst thing you want to say, if you say it differently with the right tonality, it will be the message will go through without being disrespectful.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Agree. Well said. Making eye contact with my next bad decision.
Right now, nobody is over here making eye contact with the bad.
I think we've made the best decision.
Yeah. By doing
That is true.
Jatadhara.
What is the best quality your husband put into you that you were like, oh God?
He's made me a more open and like, I think he's made me a nicer person.
Rubbish.
Yeah.
You are already.
No, I was nice only, but I used to be very reserved.
Oh.
I was not like I said, I was not an open person. Like I would not make friends very easily. I would like soch samajh ke and like take my time with it.
मतलब
and all.
extrovert बना दिया.
Yeah, kind of.
Sweet.
Yeah, so I think that's a very good change that has come into me.
What's the best thing about Telugu industry that Bollywood industry don't actually have?
Timings. Good timings and like disciplined timings. Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya, and today I'm in conversation with the two beautiful ladies sitting in front of me, Sonakshi Sinha and Shilpa Shirodkar. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so
Thank you
So
so much.
nice to have you. आप बहुत प्यारी लग रही हैं.
Thank
Dream
you.
coincidence.
बिग कोइंसिडेंस हम जितने भी प्रमोशन कर चुके हैं आज तक हम सब में सेम कलर पहन के पहुंच गए विदाउट इवन टॉकिंग टू
She's lying, you know. Actually, we've planned this whole thing. We've planned पूरे
I
हफ्ते
knew
का.
it.
And I'm telling you, why are you lying to them?
मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है प्लान करने का ओके मैं सुबह में उठ के डिसाइड करती हूँ मुझे क्या पहनना है
हाँ, same. See, अभी if I say same, then they'll say ये लोग plan कर रहे हैं.
it's the most bizarre experience
Yeah.
I've ever had you know like we literally ended up wearing the same colors.
It is, but आप बहुत प्यारी लग रही हैं. And
Thank
firstly,
you.
congratulations for Jatadhara.
Thank you so much.
Sona in, as in all Sona, and Dhan Pishachni का role आप play कर रही हैं. And you surprise us with every time with every different kind of roles. And Shilpa ji, you are looking absolutely superb. आपका जो भयानक हंसी हंस रही है वाला amazing guys. लेकिन इस project से अगर मैं एक ऐसी चीज़ पूछूँ that you're gonna carry in your heart, चाहे वो कोई मोमेंट हो, चाहे वो ऑन कैमरा कुछ हो या ऑफ कैमरा कुछ मोमेंट हो, what will be that moment for you that you are gonna carry in your heart for this project?
I think the kind of love and respect I got on the set ये पहली बार मैं तेलुगु फिल्म कर रही थी
जी.
and it's my first step into a very new very different industry and जो इज्जत मुझे वहाँ पर मिली मुझे वो हमेशा याद रहेगा.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
That is so sweet. What's the best thing about Telugu industry that Bollywood industry don't actually have?
Timings. Good timings and like disciplined timings. Yeah.
And I'm gonna ask you a opposite question कि आप जुड़ी हुई हैं तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री से ही. What is the thing आप बॉलीवुड में तेलुगु का एक क्वालिटी लेना चाहेंगे?
मैं एक्चुअली सच बोलूँ आपको ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि दोनों अपने अपने हिसाब से बहुत सक्सेसफुल इंडस्ट्रीज हैं.
Yeah.
और अभी जो चेंज आ रहा है कि हम इट्स बिकमिंग अ ग्लोबल इंडस्ट्री. सो आई थिंक सबका जो पॉजिटिव है ना अगर मिला के हम लोग कुछ करें तो दैट बी फिनोमिनल आई थिंक.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah, because every industry, everybody has कुछ अच्छा कुछ बुरा. तो लेके एक अच्छा ग्लोबल इंडस्ट्री बना लो, विल बी अनटचेबल.
Exactly. And also शिल्पा, I'm so grateful कि आप अभी finally rise and shine कर रही हैं, because बिग बॉस में सलमान खान ने भी आपको काफ़ी दुआएं दी थी कि जब आप
Yeah.
यहाँ से इस शो से निकलेंगे तो आपकी प्लेट में बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. एंड
Yeah.
नाउ यू हियर, टचवुड फॉर दैट. कब से शुरू हुआ था आफ्टर बिग बॉस?
Well, I started working on this project, I think in less than a couple of weeks after I came out. क्योंकि जैसे मैं बाहर आई, I think in 2-3 days after the grand finale, प्रेरणा अरोरा का phone आया था. And प्रेरणा said, ma'am, because मैं actually उनसे before Big Boss I had met her
Okay.
for work only.
Okay.
And and then I went in. मैं किसी को बोल नहीं
What are
सकी
the
that I was
odds?
going inside. So I went inside, and the moment I came out, she was the first person to call me. And she
sweet.
said, ma'am, I am doing a project and it's starting as soon as we speak. So will you be able to listen to the subject? I think this character will be apt for you.
Oh,
And then
so
we
sweet.
quickly, like within a couple of hours, we did a Zoom call and all, and I was on board. Or before I knew, I was in Mount Abu shooting for the film.
Oh my
So
God.
it happened so quickly, and as you know, it's been less than a year that I'm out of the house, and the film is also on release.
So
So
sweet.
yeah, that's amazing.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
God has been kind. God
Yeah,
has truly been
truly
kind.
being kind. Talking about God, एक रिचुअल हमेशा अपने अंदर रहता है, जो अब हम चाहे वो सुबह हो शाम हो, we do that in a day or every day, या फिर अपने मन में कुछ बोलते हैं. What is that mantra or what is that ritual that you do on your daily basis? या फिर आपको कभी मतलब ऐसा होता है ना, एंग्जाइटी तो नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन you feel that it's not vibing या फिर कुछ अजीब सा लग रहा है, then I'm gonna do this, तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है क्योंकि वो आपके मन के अंदर है. What is that ritual I want to ask you?
So you're talking about superstition. कि अगर if you're superstitious, what do you do?
Yeah.
That's your question, right?
No, one ritual.
No.
एक
कि अगर ये नहीं किया तो ये गलत हो जाएगा.
No,
नहीं,
she's
नहीं,
saying
ऐसा
what
नहीं.
you do in your daily life
okay.
as like कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. So basically like अगर मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा होता है, मैं बस thank you बोल देती हूँ.
अच्छा.
एक कि you know instead of like I don't like to ask for things. I'm very actually I practice gratitude और कुछ भी अच्छी चीज़ होती है तो मैं definitely एक thank you बोल देती हूँ to the higher powers, to God, to nature, to you know everything that is helping me live a good life.
Yeah.
Agreed. Yeah, same.
As you said, superstition, मेरे को एक ये भी पूछना था कि सलमान खान का एक superstition जो वो बिलीव करते हैं, most of us, not even just सलमान खान, कि कहीं भी कोई इवेंट हो, कोई फिल्म का प्रोजेक्ट हो, कुछ नई चीज़ हो, वो अपना राइट फुट को आगे सबसे पहले वही उठाते हैं, एंटर करते हैं. Is there any superstition that you secretly believe, चाहे हो या ना हो, कर देते हैं?
No,
नहीं.
I don't.
I don't. I believe in God too much to be superstitious about anything. Because I think that my Baba's always there supporting me and with me. So when you believe in God, when you know that He's with you, and what are you going to be
Yeah.
think about? I mean, ऐसा, at least I don't
You
believe.
don't. Okay. Every person has that क्रोध, हम सब में है as a human being. I can't imagine आप दोनों को in a that क्रोध वाला way mood, aggression mood. आपने सबसे wildest चीज़ थिंक क्या की है जब आप बहुत गुस्से में थे? That you remember कि oh God.
जब मैं बहुत गुस्से में होती हूँ, मैं खाना बनाती हूँ.
Oh,
Really?
Because for me,
That's
it's a
nice.
de-stress.
Yeah,
Oh,
good
wow.
to channel
Yeah.
your energy, na? In
It's
a nice
superb.
way.
And I think even खाना अगर गंदा बना ना, तो भी you enjoy it.
Nice.
Because I think there's nothing better than cooking. When you're fully angry, annoyed, just go silently, because you don't like, I don't like chopping. When that chopping, where you're removing all your energies and but yeah, so I do that. And actually I had seen a podcast actually on somewhere that वो बोलते हैं कि खाना है ना, जब हम लोग खाना बनाते हैं या हम लोग अगर किसी को हायर करते हैं खाना बनाने के लिए, make sure that that person is always happy, because those energies go in the food. So if you notice, even I don't know whether you cook or whatever, but if people who cook are always happier, and when they are happily cooking, the food is much tastier. तो हम लोग कभी-कभी हमारे कुक को भी बोलते हैं कि यार आज मूड सही नहीं था क्या कि खाना ऐसे बना है. It actually works. So
I'm
I
sure,
feel that when I am most angry, I won't say that I don't shout
Wow,
and scream
that's
at
a
my
great
But then who do you
family.
feed this angry food to?
I only eat.
Then
Oh,
it's
then
fine.
it's
No, I eat, but actually my family is too sweet. यार उनको मैं जो भी बनाऊँ उनको अच्छा लगता है.
so sweet.
But then my husband is very critical. But वो उस time पे डर जाता है बोलने के लिए नमक कम है या ज़्यादा तीखा हो गया. He'll चुपचाप eat, you know, like
Oh
that.
God.
So yeah.
What about you, Sonakshi?
Me, max to max, I must have done some chilli. That's it.
हाँ.
Yeah, nothing more than that.
Okay. As a learner ना आपकी कोई उम्र नहीं होती है, कोई एज नहीं देखी जाती है. Always a learner. What are you learning next? Even though I love your makeup vlogs, बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं मुझे.
Thank you.
What are you learning next? I mean, just not from the in this industry. Marketing हो गई, कुछ भी हो गया.
I like to keep reading up and learning about like technology and like stuff like that, which you know I don't get to do on a regular basis. So I read up a lot actually on this stuff.
That's nice.
Yeah, to be able to learn
cool.
new things. I want to do like I keep thinking about it. I keep wanting to do like an interior design course now that I've you know kind of helped in
Nice.
designing
Interior
my own
designing,
houses. I
nice.
really enjoyed the whole process. I would love to learn
Wow.
about that. I would love to learn. I would love to do a short editing course
That's
because I
nice.
enjoy editing. I understand it. So I do some of my own editing as well. But I would love to learn
That's
it like
great.
properly.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah. So I think
That's
the
so great.
learning process should never stop.
Stop.
I feel. Yeah. True. कुछ ना कुछ
What about
सीखना
you,
चाहिए.
Shilpa?
Me. So I'm learning right now how to make those self videos. Like you know how she does those
Yeah,
vlogs
yeah,
and
yeah.
also now Apurva who manages my digital team. All these young girls, all you young girls have now come in.
Oh, yeah,
so
Gen
बोलते
Z.
हैं, ma'am you should do this, you should do that. So she's got me this thing to stick on my phone.
Oh.
So,
yeah, that
yeah,
The
so then,
reverse
yeah,
camera.
no, reverse camera, no.
That
That
sticks
one sticky one
everywhere.
pad comes.
Acha.
So you
Yeah.
put it
To put a-
somewhere, and then she said, "Ma'am, you take and you send me selfies, of
Yeah.
your." So
It's
but the
actually
problem
there,
with that
yeah.
stupid thing is कि अगर वो हम लोग टेबल पे रखेंगे ना तो वहीं पे
चिपक
चिपक जाता है. So dumb. I mean, तो वो ऐसे कर करना the noise. So I'm getting used to all this. I'm learning that. But
That's
on the other side, I'm also I had actually asked her pottery. I want to go. I want to learn pottery. I
It's a
think-
therapy, no? Also.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm sure it is. I don't know. 'Cause I've never gone there yet.
Yeah.
But I want to do pottery. I think there is. It's
It'll
just
be
going to be
fun,
fun
yeah. It's very
to sit
soothing.
in that mud. Then you know
Yeah.
all those OCDs about नाखून में ये नहीं जाना चाहिए, वो नहीं जाना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
yeah.
वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के you just go and you create something.
Exactly.
Something lovely,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Creating art and something nice is always
Exactly.
I'm not a good reader, unfortunately.
Oh.
So I see a lot
because
of.
you don't wear your chashma.
No, chashma. Now this is for style. I'm not wearing. Otherwise, you always see it.
Cute.
But I can't. I'm not a good reader.
Okay.
I like big fonts. Like I'm not. I think I stuck in my junior KG days. वो बड़े fonts में book आते हैं ना.
Yeah.
Like that. So I like to read. I'm a good watch. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Observer.
Observer.
Watcher?
Observer नहीं. Watcher.
Watcher?
Watcher.
You mean you like to watch?
Yeah, I learn a lot by watching, like YouTube bolo या whatever. So I learn a lot through that.
Oh,
So
that's
I like
nice.
movies. I like to watch all these things. I like to watch.
Oh, which is the movie that you currently watched and you were like, oh my god, what a movie it was.
I watched Kantara Chapter 1. Did you
Oh,
watch it?
nice.
You-
That was
oh,
nice.
it's
I should, yeah, I
fab,
should watch
fab,
it.
Fab.
Which movie? I've actually not seen.
You have
something
seen
in
it
a
and
very
you were
long
like,
time.
damn.
Coolie also see Coolie. Majja it is, Majja. Then I saw
I
Search.
haven't watched anything for a while actually. It's been a while since I've just kind of I'd stopped watching things.
Okay.
I don't know why.
She reads.
Yeah, she
No,
reads.
I don't even read a book.
Hello, you're just in love.
But I've been in love since 8 years.
Yeah, but the good part is you're still in love.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh,
But that doesn't mean I stopped watching things.
No, I mean, come on, hello. Your husband.
Yeah, he keeps me
You
quite
keep watching your
entertained.
husband.
Yeah, he keeps me quite entertained. So
Yeah.
maybe that's why.
What is the best quality your husband put into you that you were like, oh god?
He's made me a more open and like I think he's made me a nicer person.
Rubbish.
Yeah.
You are already
No,
nice.
I was nice only, but I used to be very reserved.
Oh.
I was not like I said, I was not an open person. Like I would not make friends very easily.
हाँ.
I would like सोच समझ के and like take my time with it.
मतलब
and all.
extrovert बना दिया आपको.
Yeah, kind of.
Sweet.
Yeah, so I think that's a very good change that has come into me. Yeah.
And you both have such a strong personality, strong woman. एक कभी आपने ऐसा मुंह पे नहीं बोला? क्योंकि व्हेन आई सी वुमेन, स्पेशली वुमेन स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर देमसेल्फ, आई फील रियली, मेरे को बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि मैं खुद इंस्पायर हो रही हूँ यार. आप दोनों ने ऐसा कुछ किया है अपनी लाइफ में दैट यू फेल्ट लाइक कि damn, I'm proud of myself, what I did exactly right now is such an amazing task. What was that thing that you did and you were proud of it?
I think no such instance is coming to my mind as such, because I feel like I always stand up for myself. And
Exactly,
yeah,
that's
so
the
it's
biggest
not like
one.
something that happens out of the blue or you know. And if I feel some जो मेरे मन में है वो मैं बोल देती हूँ. I don't like to mince
That is
words.
true.
I don't like to keep things inside. Yeah. So
That is true, for sure.
it's just a way of being, and I feel every woman should be able to, you know,
Yeah, I feel that.
Be herself.
be herself and
herself.
take up for herself.
Yeah.
Okay. Lastly, we have one small segment जहाँ पे आपको कैप्शन में बोलूँगी और आपको बोलना है कि ये किस पे सूट कर रहा है, मेरे पे या शिल्पा पे.
Oh, अच्छा मैं खेल
ये
रही
तो
हूँ.
हम लोग
ये ना शिल्पा, आप बोलेंगे या तो मेरे पे या तो
नहीं, बट हम लोग इतने सिमिलर है अगर दोनों हम दोनों पे होगा तो
let's see. Just
अच्छा,
give it a
okay,
try.
चलो.
Okay.
Okay. Currently pretending to be productive.
pretending.
Yeah.
Why?
Clearly. 4 बार बोल चुकी है मुझे घर जाना है.
No, but
Okay.
मैं इसको पूछ रही थी एक्चुअली.
Okay, next.
वो तो बस. Okay.
My Wi-Fi signal is stronger than my patience.
Me.
Me also, yeah. I'm
Yeah,
very
both.
patient.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Wi-Fi signal is stronger than my patience. मतलब patience is less.
No, not at all. Her only.
Right.
What
Yeah.
rubbish. I don't think it's her also.
Actually, first वाला ही सही था.
Yeah, I don't think she is.
Oh, अच्छा,
she's
that's
very
what you meant.
patient.
Okay. ठीक है.
Serving
What
looks.
rubbish are you saying?
Sorry.
Very
You
you go home.
sleepy, yeah.
Okay, next. Serving looks, surviving chaos.
Serving looks, surviving
Okay,
chaos.
Both of us.
Both of you.
Yeah.
Okay. I smile, so I don't say what I really think.
No, I say
And
what I think.
No, I also say what I think,
The
but
way
I
you-
smile and say it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
that's a
I
better
don't
one.
like to unnecessarily.
Yeah.
My problem is I don't like to hurt people. I don't like to hurt people. And I think even the worst thing you want to say, if you say it differently with the right tonality, it will be say, the message will go through without being disrespectful.
Based
to
on-
anyone.
yeah. Agreed. Well said. Making eye.
महान हो.
Shut up. No, I just feel कि
Yeah, of
sometimes it comes
course.
back to
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
na.
of
Yeah,
course it
yeah,
does, yeah.
definitely. Making eye contact with my next bad decision.
Right now, nobody is is over here making eye contact with the bad.
I think
next
we've made
bad
the best decision.
Yeah. By doing
That is
Yeah.
true.
Jatadhara.
Yeah. Lastly, sarcasm is my love language.
Oh.
Not at all. Not
my
me.
husband's. Yeah.
It's about you and me. Why you got Zahid
Sorry,
in the
I
middle?
don't know. I just went
Oh
there.
God, Zahid, please now.
Very cute.
My mind just went there.
He's sarcasm. What rubbish.
Yeah, he is
Only
so
to you. Is he
sarcastic.
like that normally?
Yeah. Normally also he's like that. He's damn funny.
Funny?
Yeah.
Funny is one thing. Sarcasm
He's
is one thing.
sarcastically funny.
What is the fun?
Chandler, how he was.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is the last funniest thing that he did? क्योंकि उनके pranks तो social media पे इतने viral होते हैं, and I love that too. as well.
Yesterday only he did one.
What?
Some nonsense again. मैं शांति से एक तो I mind my own business. I'm chilling. I'm sitting for somewhere.
Yeah.
He sees me sitting at peace, na.
Huh.
That's when he wants to just irritate me. I should just look busy all the time. I feel.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, one word for Jatadhara.
Intense.
Yeah.
Yeah. You give another word.
Oh, I have to?
Of course.
Okay, for me, Jatadhara would be spiritual.
Spiritual. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Spiritually intense.
Yeah, spiritually intense.
That would be like दोनों का mix up.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It was
you,
lovely
Riya.
meeting you and all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha.
Hi, I'm Shilpa Shirodkar.
And you're watching us on
Instant Bollywood.